since we are shifting to Liberica coffee, we will launch our first project or pilot project in the Philippines because Philippines along with Malaysia and Indonesia are the only Asian countries that have or that are into Liberica coffee farming. So since I'm based here in the Philippines, we're gonna launch it here first, and then we will scale to Malaysia and Indonesia, and then eventually we will also go to Africa and Latin America. Now, a little bit of history here. Um, Liberica coffee didn't start in Asia, but in Liberia in Africa. And that was like several thousand hundred years ago. Um, at Because of the traders that been going around, it accidentally went to Asia, and that's the reason why we have it here in the Philippines, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Okay, now for those who are aware of the Philippines who are Filipinos, feel free to message me here or comment down below on where in the Philippines exactly do we want us to start the Liberica Coffee Project, because um, the main or one of the main farms before was in Batangas province and also in Cavite. But the good thing about the Liberica tree is you can plant them uh, almost anywhere because it is a sturdy tree and it can grow even in a toxic soil compared to other coffee varieties. Liberica tree is more resilient to climate change, drought, and heat resistant. So yes, we have we're thinking of doing it in Batangas or Cavite. But for those who have more ideas, please do let us know. Okay?